Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're checking out the VET, which is basically the VeChain. Of course, you probably know that because you typed it in YouTube. All right, guys, so what the hell is going to go on with the VeChain? Well, we can see a lot of indicators right here. For example, the fact that it is straight dab in the middle of its price point since its blowout. So we're looking at like a 10-cent price right now, and it is actually starting a bearish run right here, as we can see. So let me show you exactly what I mean. As you see here, this is the SAR indicator, which is stop and reverse. So you got here a rather bullish support thanks to this pricing right here, and then you've got a bearish, so stop and reverse and bearish, and then stop and reverse, and then bullish. This one right here is bullish, rather bullish. Um, and then you got the bearish that is coming up. So again, you have also the bearish trend right here. So because you have a reversal, it basically means a lot. And unfortunately, for the token holders of the VET, currently it is a little bit problematic. And by the way, I trade since 2017, guys. I do anywhere from 30 to 40 trades on a daily basis, and I can definitely show you how to do 1 or 2% per trade, which ends you up at the end of the day at 30 to 40% in gains. So definitely sign up and hit that subscribe button if you do not want to miss out on how I do that. I will be doing live videos where I will be showing you how to do that. Alright guys, so if you do hit subscribe though, please let me know in the comments, who are you? Are you a bot? Are you a human? And if yes, just write I subscribed, and that way I can welcome you to the Crypto Intel channel personally. Alright, so let's get back into the VET. Look guys, we are currently on a trend reversal. You have seen it right here, you have seen it right here, you have seen it actually many times over. These cycles right here are happening. So currently the trend is complete. So let's have a look at what happened in previous time frames when this trade cycle was complete. So this is the volume oscillator that we're looking at. And for example, here you can see that when it was at the top of the cycle, it was kind of stable, right? And then when it slowed down, boom, it exploded into a positive cycle, another positive cycle, and then it went through this rather negative cycle all the way from here, right, from a price point of 28 cents. So also a very important aspect to have a look at is currently we're at the low end range of the RSI cycle. So as you can see, you have these reverses of trends going on. So we're at the bottom right now. So this is definitely a good indicator of things that will probably pick up rather sooner than later. Because as you can see, every time it slowed down, look at this, in the middle, you still have this reversal coming up, so that it's up top, stayed a little bit stable until we got another reversal. So instead of going up, it stayed stable, right? So this is a reversal of another trend right here. So boom, another reversal of a trend. And then as you can see, instead of going upwards, it reversed itself into a rather stable a stable pricing point right here until you get another reversal right here. So what does the reversal mean? Basically, it means that there will be another trend type. So let's have a look here. For example, we're looking at a negative slump, and then it reversed itself. It stopped the negative slump. It went through this extremely bullish type of trend where people were trying to actually support it, but it wasn't necessarily fruitful. Check it out. Let's have a look at this view right here. Let's just be sure to have a look at the selling cycles. So two buy cycles and then two sell cycles right here. It looks like they're not over though. It looks like the sell cycles are still gonna keep on coming in. And look at this. Also this huge, so this is the moving average, convergence, divergence, is currently on a reverse trend. So this is rather dangerous. Plus, we didn't hit the golden line yet. So normally when the golden line is going to hit approximately 20, it will mean that it is oversold. And then at that point, if it's oversold, it will probably reverse in the trend. So it's not oversold yet, guys, in relativity to, for example, right here. It was oversold, and then when it stopped, this is the golden cross of the KGD. And when it hits the minus 20, it definitely is oversold, and then it pumps up and started pumping up, as you can see right here. So, by the way, guys, if you have any urgent requests, hit me up on Patreon, and you would be also supporting the channel at the same time, and I would be super happy to do so. And so will the subscribers of the Crypto Intel, because I will be able to pump out more content for you guys. All right, so, and guys, by the way, this is rather dangerous because we've seen a very, very bullish SAR indicator right here, which is a stop and reversion indicator. So you can see you get a brand new bearish SAR right here forming itself, going all the way from the 30-cent mark to the 17-cent mark. So that again signals a reversal in the trend. So do not expect the price to pick up anytime soon. Plus, as I said, guys, the volume for the sales is not complete. You can clearly see right here it has completed itself with a huge spike in sales, guys. So this is definitely going to sink just a little bit further down below. And let me just show you guys until where it can sink and how much percentage you might lose still on the VET if you're holding on to it. So for example, let's just have a look here. It might drop all the way to approximately let's see here, I'd say approximately here. So according to these indicators, so we're looking like at a 15% loss, right? So this is if you're holding. If you are going to let go of maybe like say you want to be still kind of safe with your tokens, well, you can let go of 25% of the tokens and get yourself 15% more tokens at a cheaper price. So the price would be 15% less. So this is definitely a good opportunity for that. And as you can see, we're still at the middle of the MACD cycle. Basically, this means that it is not over. The sell is not over. It might keep on selling until approximately, let's see here. Oh, yeah, that sucks because this is week wise. It's still kind of far, right? It's gonna be on the 7th week. Sorry, it's. Let me just switch over to the days. It's gonna be a little bit easier to tell you exactly what the hell is gonna happen. Okay, so uh, let's go ahead and plot the possible downfall of the crypto asset. So approximately until the previous resistance line that was right here. So 7 cents is where it might drop to, which would basically mean that it still will have a good discount. And by the way, guys, check out the reverse logarithmic effect right here. We're still looking at a breakout point probably at around 7 cents. So it is definitely an interesting token to have, although you gotta be careful, guys. I told you guys that the volume, it's not done its cycle, guys. So be very careful. The other situation that might happen is that it might actually bounce back on this resistance level that is currently at 10 cents. So if it does bounce back, it will probably bounce back to the previous support levels right here at the 13-cent mark, which is basically 28% in gains if you are feeling bullish about the VET. So this is pretty much what's going on in the market. And again, guys, a new trend is going to happen right here. And when the trend reverses itself, you know what will happen. I told you guys previously, just mind the SAR, which is the stop and reverse, which is currently looking like it's going to be bullish. So I do think there's like 20% chances of it going up, 80% chances of it going down because of the SAR indicators, plus also this trend reversal right here. So it might definitely dump, unfortunately, to a lower price. Like, this is my opinion, guys. If it does not dump, well, I was wrong. It's okay to be wrong. Like, this is what happens in crypto. It's unpredictable, but definitely this is what I see. Look, this lump right here, it just indicates that it is definitely going to fall back onto a lower price at about 7 cents, as I said, guys. So again, you will be probably losing if you're holding approximately like 30% in your tokens. So guys, you guys just gotta wait for the MACD to fall back to the 7 unit cycle so that it stops the fall, and then at that point it will be safer to make a purchase. So this is my point of view, guys. Always be sure to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Always ask your grandmother what she thinks about your crypto purchases, or of course other YouTube channels, so that you have different point of views. And guys, if you feel that this content is really cool, let me know on Patreon, and you will also be supporting this channel. I would definitely be appreciating that. All right, guys. So if you do subscribe, let me know. I subscribed in the comments. I will welcome to you. I will send you a welcome message personally, guys, to thank you for becoming a sub. All right. So see you all in the next episode. Cheers.